reach for the sky. No dream too big, no goal out of sight. With every heartbeat I'm ready to fight. Through every storm, through every doubt, I rise above, I shout it out. With courage in my veins, determination strong. Step by step, I'll prove I belong. Through every challenge, every test, I'll give my all, I'll do my best. Courage in my heart, fire in my soul. Step by step, I'll reach my goal. Effort and courage, they lead the way. One step at a time, I'll find my way. With every challenge, I'll rise above. Fueled with passion in the ones I love. The other with every stride, I'll chase my dreams, I won't hide. Facing the challenges, breaking them all. With love and support, my story unfolds. Every stumble is a chance to learn. With every failure, the fire will burn. Determination in my side, I'll keep on moving, eyes open wide. And the darkest night, someone feels creeping. I find the light within and let it begin. With every step, I learn and grow. Step by step, I'm ready to show. Through every challenge, every test, I'll give my all, I'll do my best. Courage in my heart, fire in my soul. Step by step, I'll reach my goal. Effort and courage, they lead the way. One step at a time, I'll find my way. With every challenge, I'll rise above. Feel the passion in the ones I love. Every effort, with every stride, I'll chase my dreams, I won't hide. Facing the challenges, breaking them all. With love and support, my story unfolds. Long and the nights are cold. Remember the stories we've all been told of heroes who stood, who fought and believed in the power of dreams and what can be achieved. I'll find my way. With every challenge, I'll rise above. Feel the passion in the ones I love. Dream with the brain and the bold, and those who push forward and never let go. With effort, courage, and hearts full of cheer, we'll conquer our fears and hold our dreams near. When the road seems long and the nights are cold, remember the stories we've all been told of heroes who stood, who fought and believed in the power of dreams and what can be achieved. Rises high, I lace my shoes and I reach for the sky. No dream too big, no goal out of sight. With every heartbeat, I'm ready to fight. Through every storm, through every doubt, I rise above, I shout it out. With courage in my veins, determination strong. Step by step, I'll prove I belong. Through every challenge, every test, I'll give my all, I'll do my best. Courage in my heart, fire in my soul. Step by step, I'll reach my goal. Effort and courage, they lead the way. One step at a time, I'll find my way. With every challenge, I'll rise above. Fueled with passion in the ones I love. With every stride, I'll chase my dreams, I won't hide. Facing the challenges, breaking them all. With love and support, my story unfolds. Every stumble is a chance to learn. With every failure, the fire will burn. Determination in my side, I'll keep on moving, eyes open wide. In the darkest night, someone feels creeping. I find the light within and let it begin. With every step, I learn and grow. Step by by step I'm ready to show. Through every challenge, every test, I'll give my all, do my best. Courage in my heart, fire in my soul. Step by step, I'll reach my goal. Effort and courage, they lead the way. One step at a time, I'll find my way. With every challenge, I'll rise above. Feel the passion in the ones I love. With every effort, with every try, I'll chase my dreams. I will hide, facing the challenges, breaking the mold. With the love of support, my story unfolds. Seems long and the nights are cold. Remember the stories we've all been told of heroes who stood, who fought and believed in the power of dreams and what can be achieved. I'll find my way. With every challenge I'll rise above. Feel the passion in the ones I love. Dream with the brave and the bold, to those who push forward and never let go. With effort, courage, and hearts full of cheer, we'll conquer our fears and hold our dreams near. And the road seems long and the nights are cold. Remember the stories we've all been told of heroes who stood, who fought and believed in the power of dreams and what can be achieved.